Alright, so we're going to turn this sideways, like so. Alright, again, the name of my shop and my little business here is called Cards Are For Kids Too. I started it back in 2018, before the pandemic, and then whenever Walmarts and everything started getting wiped out during the pandemic, and people were literally quitting their jobs to just wait for the stalkers and following them store to store, kids couldn't get nothing except old junk wax. So I started giving stuff out to them myself. What do we got in here? I honestly have no idea what is in here. Looks like a bunch of penny sleeves. I can always use all the penny sleeves I can get. I reuse mine, to be honest. More penny sleeves. Whoa. Alright. Looks like we got a Topps Steve Aoki set. I remember these. I wonder what's in it. Not necessarily going to be Steve Aoki that's in here. I don't know. We'll find out, I guess. Ah, boy. Is it taped? No, it's not taped. I don't want to destroy the box. I just think this stuff took such time keeping it together. Oh, well, it's in the actual Aoki case. These are some pretty cool looking cards. I remember that. Let's see what's in it. I'm just as surprised by whatever's in here as you are, folks. Looks like the hit was a foil George Brett. Soto, Tatis, Seager, Arenado, Darvish. I don't know how many cards are in this set, but they were cool looking. Oh yeah, those guys. Rosarena, not bad. Okay, let's see what else we got here. Sage Blaster Auto 2020 Sage Football. CD Lamb rookie. Well, the sun's in his eyes. I'm a Cowboys fan, I can say that. Still, some kid will love that. Zach Bond. I remember James Morgan cards. Jordan Love, orange rookie. Justin Jefferson, orange next level rookie. Oh yeah, the kids are going to love this stuff. DeAndre Swift, if the Bears only had a line and a coach. Nice. Some good stuff in there for the kids. Thank you very much. Let's see what's next. 2020 Sage Football again. Oh, okay. Up, Joe Burrow rookie. Another. Jonathan Taylor, he is a beast. Some more CD lookies. Justin Jefferson rookie. Cole Kmet rookie. Brandon Ayuk rookie. Jonathan Taylor rookie. More Swift, more CD. More Jordan Love. Alright, I see a lot of more good stuff there the kids are going to like. Good deal. Okay, well, let's start on in the middle, I guess, with these penny sleeved cards. Jared Goff, red Prism Josh Jacobs, red, white, and blue Connor, silver sepia Danny Gray rookie, Billy Zappi Prism rookie, John Mechie had a big night last night. Red, white, and blue Prism rookie. Poor Dak. Aaron Landry. Jalen Naylor, he's had a nice year. Juju. Trey Lance, who may or may not be doing some quarterbacking for my Cowboys. Bryce Harper, Big Fly. Hall of Famer Mike Pizza Piazza. Oh, Araldus, that's nice looking. Devers, producers. Wang Jong Kim. Yimer. Alright. Nice. Let's see. Let's go through the middle some more here so I can hold them together. Captain Kirk. Alright. Jacoby Durant rookie. More stuff for the kiddos. I'll go on the left here. Oh, upside down. Tanner Houck, retail blue rookie. Jazz Chisholm rookie, top flagship. Oh, my Cardinal friends love Dylan Carlson so much. Not familiar with that Cardinal. Cronenworth rookie. Something shiny. Jose, it's a rainbow rookie. Jose, I can't pronounce it. Sorry. I don't want to butcher it. Retail blue. Cardinal rookie. And now we're in basketball. Let's see where I can grab from. Wow, this guy even likes Mookie Betts. Joe Burrow, rookie. Heston Kierstad. Derrick Henry, red zone, nice foil parallel. Derrick Henry, Derrick Henry, Derrick Henry, Derrick Henry. That would be driving Jerry Jones nuts right now. We can't afford Derrick Henry. We got Zeke. That's great, Jerry. Bryce Harper, Mike Piazza, Bo Jackson, Tatis, Roberto. Oh, more Joe Burrow with the mask. Trey Young. Cam Akers, Silver Prism rookie. Cam Akers. Oh, Peyton Manning. Therese Maxey, red cracked ice. Therese Maxey, red select rookie. Nice stuff, man. This is some nice stuff here. Okay, well, this video, nice, Aaron Judge, is going to get a little too long, and you guys are going to get bored watching me go through all of this. But I just wanted to give a quick view of what I do here. And I'm always looking for stuff like this from any sport, any non-sport, Pokemon, Yu-Gi-Oh!, you name it. The kids love it, and I find a way to use it. But as you see, there's plenty left in this box for me to go through. Thank you to my friend who surprised me with this today. Everybody take care. Cards are for kids, too. I'll be bringing more videos soon.